Hey, good morning traders and welcome to the next way trading. My name is Lester. In this video I gotta share with you this funny story about how I pay out $200 to receive this type of signals for Forex. Let's roll with this video. Hey, what's up traders? My name is Lester and I'm gonna share with you my experience with this signals provider because I saw this channel on YouTube and I saw this histories too and sharing with funding accounts challenge, and I saw this guy is good. I want to follow the signals and see if maybe I can reach generate profits, extra profits, and let's go to do it. So I pay out $200 to receive this type of signals, and I consider it maybe I can generate a huge profits if I follow these trades, and I can learn more about my strategy, maybe make it better. But I received this type of signal. This is the signal that I received. This was yesterday. Oh, you can see it, right there. So let's go to the graphic. The signal says enter point to 168.595. So it's this one here, and the stop loss is for 8 pips. The take profit is for 8 pips. This is funny because I pay out $200 per month to receive this type of signals. High precision with this type of signal. I don't want to say the name. I don't want to say to the what guy is I'm talking about it because I have a huge channel too. So, but I consider this is funny, I guess, but not funny laughing, right? But let's go to check it out. The signal was sent. This is one-on-one. So to be writable with this type of signal, I need to increase. I have a huge balance to put on my leverage. I don't know, 20 lots. And it's funny because I received the signal and I'm watching it, and I decided take it. Just moving my take profit to another point, but the stop loss looks good for me, but maybe we need to move it on just a little higher. I put the trade and I lost the trade. So it's funny for me to receive this type of signals just one-on-one and lose $200 because I will lose $200 in what this and paying this per month because I don't want to receive more signals. Today I don't receive signals. Yesterday it was this signal. The last week I have another signal that was out the money. It's funny. It's really funny. And this is the way this signals provider works. Sending signals just one-on-one, 8 pips to take profit, 8 pips to stop loss, and this is bad for me. For example, if you are totally new, we follow this type of signals. This is stupid to teaching you or guessing where is the point to decide to take it straight. Obviously, they working with the order blocks, and let me check it out here. And I consider it this is the enter point they saw. So for that reason, enter here. And that's exactly there, the previous candle before to start the huge drop it. So they decided to send the signal and put the stop loss just a little bit higher of all the previous high. But we are watching this in only 1 minute. I consider this a good trade, but maybe the stop loss need to be a little bit higher. And the moves before led me out the strategy or this trade is going down. Maybe can have a huge in money, a good trade in the money if they if they move just a little bit high the stop loss. Look at this. This was a lovely trade. It was a beautiful trade. For that reason, I consider it maybe it's a good one to take it and consider it trade with this signal. But this is pay out $200 to receive this type of signal. Totally sucks, guys. Per month. This is the first. This is the trade that I take it with them. I'm gonna show you another trade that I followed too. I'm gonna show you right now. Let me check. This is signal for today, and let's go to check it out. This is a Telegram group I pay up to. This is more cheaper. Let's go to watch this. And let's go to watch the currency pair because it's not this one. Let me check it out here and say CAUPY. Okay, let's go to change the time frame to 5 minutes, and the signal was sent. Okay, let's go check it out. Here, don't receive the enter point, just say call or buy right now with this currency pair. The signal was sent 12 o'clock and 5 minutes right here. So the signal was sending right here, 12 o'clock and 5 minutes. Okay, the stop loss, we have stop loss. So the stop loss is 391, 391, 391, 391, 82. Okay, this is the stop loss. Okay, this is the stop loss for this trade. For example, I watching the signal. This signal group have more in the monies. That is true, but short take profits. Short take profits. I don't know. Maybe can have unlucky and we receive the signal here and looks good, looks good, looks good. And boom, start going down and take it your stop loss. You're gonna lose a lot of money just in one trade. The signal continue open right now and close it. Let's go to see where close it. The first one close it 2 hours for 5 o'clock. Close it right here actually. 5 o'clock. This is a good one. 5 o'clock. Close it 50. No, here. Okay, close it here 55. This take partial and let it run to enter again here. Okay, this is the signal and risk and benefits is only 0.37. Take it profits 21 pips. 21 pips. It's a risk if you have losses with this one because you can lose 59 pips. It's crazy. For me, it's crazy to receive this type of signals. This type of risk benefits is gonna blow up your account just for one loss. In one loss, you can blow up your account, and it's gonna be complicated for all of us. So these signals, when I buy it, this service, the cost was $25 per month. So more cheaper. The last one, $200 per month for one-on-one is crazy, but for this one, $25 to receive this type of signals. But the stop loss is huge. It's really huge. For me, is I don't know. It's risky to have. Maybe you can have 2 in the money around with this one, but just one loss is gonna leave you with losses, and it's gonna be complicated. So I'm gonna show you another trade. This one here. This is another trade. Okay, this is another trade. Okay, this signal was sent here. This is the binary options. Let's go check it out. Go to this website. This is my website. Yes, it's my website. It's my signals providers. Change the language that you prefer. Choose the payout you want to receive the signals. And I'm gonna show you something. I'm gonna show you the signal, previous signal, because maybe you're gonna say, Lester, you are a liar. This is not true. This is the signal. Check it out. Okay, so you can buy monthly $47 or 6 months, depends, whatever. But let's go to check it out. The signals. This is insane. This signal was sending. This signal that I showed you here was sending before to touch the price or reach the price. Activate. Let's go to let it. See, the admin says take partials and let it run, and this happened later. Here is continue with this signal. Was take it 2 days, okay, but today reached the take profit. Okay, so we have the risk or the profits or the pips we won is 107.8 just in one trade. Previous signal, the first signal was take it 8 pips. 8 pips. It's funny. The second signal that I showed you here is 29 pips. I think 29 pips. And this signal right now is just in one trade is 107 pips. So guys, I consider it. You decide what type of signal you want to receive. I prefer risk the less possible. We have 22 pips at stop loss, but the stop loss can be 12 pips, and it's gonna be a good one too. So I really hope so you consider what type of trader you are, what type of signals you want to follow to be writable with Forex. If you are trading with your funding account or want to open a funding account, definitely this first trade to be writable to one-on-one, you need to put a lot of leverage and risk the 1% in one trade. Maybe you can lose it and have less profits or have your account without huge losses just in a short period. But with the second signal, if you have a funding account and just in one trade, I don't know, have 100 pips through my stop loss, and the price doing this start going well but start going down, just that trade can blow up your account and lose the funding account in just one trade. So it's complicated to take that type of trades. So my advice is consider what type of trader you are, what type of trade signals you want to follow, and what type of trade you want to learn, because we are learning here about how to trade, and the strategy was simple, the strategy was good one, the strategy is using order blocks and in the way we are trading with the order blocks. For that reason, I recommend you the order block is a good one. It's a good method for me. It's not the best method, it's not the only method, it's the method that I using and work for me. This is the signal, the order block that I watch, the point that we enter, because enter here, and this is the results we have just in one trade. So I want to show you this video, show you the exists another type of signals group, expensive signals group, 200 orders is insane, and the others more maybe cheaper, but with a huge stop loss and just in one trade is crazy too. So I consider we can have a better results if we have a better risk and benefit with this type of signal. So I really hope so this video like it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, activate the notification bell, leave your comments. What do you think about? I'm gonna show you right now just the last signals taken for binary options in the broker pocket options. We are trading only with the broker pocket option, and this is the results they have it today. 1 in the money, 2 out the money, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's so insane. It's a lot of in the money with these trades. The results they have it today with this binary signals group 2, and I really hope so you can join us. The link is below in this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, activate the notification bell, and see you in the next wave.